Hey squad, welcome back to another reaction video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for daily videos. So today we are going to do something new on this channel because we love doing new shit, okay? So today we're going to get into some flight reacts. Shout out to you for requesting this video. So today I'm just going to do flight making random noises. I've never seen his videos. Like, seen probably one video. Literally one video. It was like a try not to laugh challenge from like 3 years ago. But other than that, I don't really watch his videos. So I don't know what his laugh is like or his random noises. So we're about to see what that's like. So if you guys like flight, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and let's go.
Oh my goodness!
Yo, that nigga be high. I'm telling you. Oh, he sounds like the guy from the Wild Thornberries. Oh. Yes. That's me when I put hot food in my mouth. All of this.
Only to these types of people have this. What the hell? And this is on my king, damn, I don't know how to shut my back. Y'all hear that?
He's a sweet.
Hey man, we got the Detroit Pistons versus the Portland. It's changed with the winter, fall, winter, and hot.
That's a cute cartoon.
That's the last time I paused the video, by the way. Bro, remember earlier I said I was just so playing the three.
Hey, I'm the chosen one.
If she gonna shoot the like, like, look at these.
Yo, this is me on a regular.
Too many dance moves like those.
Is that SpongeBob?
Just to avoid serving in the Vietnam War.
Ew! I'm not doing that shit.
Surprisingly, his stunts allegedly worked.
Yo, that is Debbie.
To know where she was at, and that.
He went through mad different phases, like you can tell.
I say more fine that they wear face shirt. Something.
He's so animated.
Cap, amazing Cap. Green, green, green.
He sound like Elmo.
Better than the rest. She don't know what's for you with her. She trying to rap.
Okay guys, so that was my reaction to Flight Reacts. Honestly, I see why people watch him, because like he's just mad, like he makes reactions funny, like, you know what I mean, like he's doing extra, like he goes hard. And I love the fact that he's like mad extra, because I'm mad extra and that's literally how I am. Like I literally make all of those noises. Not in my videos though, because I'm like I don't want to be weird. Not like I don't want to be weird, but like it depends on the video, you know what I mean? Like I'm not just gonna be like in every video, but I can relate to him, you know what I mean? I can relate, because we both mentally messed up there, you know what I mean? Like he's a mix between like, what's his name, Donnie from Wild Thornberrys, or Courage the Cowardly Dog, or a horse, or what else he sound like? A kettle, a fire hydrant. I guess I said a fire hydrant. Does it even have a sound? I don't know. At this point, I just don't know. So comment down below, let me know what like reacts videos you guys want me to react to next, so that I can do that, because honestly he's mad cool. I see why people like him, and I like his reaction videos. And well, not like I like his reaction videos because I've never seen it, but I'm about to watch them now because they seem funny. So comment down below, comment the links down below to the ones you guys want to see, and let me know if you guys want me to do like 2K or like regular videos. Like I don't know. Also, he kind of remind me of Illuminati, like their vibes. Like you could tell that they're friends. Like I don't know if they're friends, but I feel like they're friends. And plus people would be saying, like, I know people be saying Flight and Illuminati, but I don't know if they be saying it in a bad way. Like I don't know if they beefing, or I don't know if they're actually friends. I don't know. So y'all gotta comment down below. And also, is DDG a part of that group? Because DDG is the only one I actually subscribe to, and the only one I actually like watch videos of. Like not all the time, but I watch his videos once in a while. So if he's a part of that, let me know, because I want to know if they all cool. Down below and let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys in the comments. Bye.